So it's been another month, and that means I have another box from benchtooljunkies.com, and here's everything I got in it. Of course, it comes with the paperwork that has their logo and what month it was. And then inside, it has all the details about what came with it, along with a fold-out that tells you a breakdown of what came in each box. This one that I'm showing you right now is the large box. So one of the things that caught my eye when I first opened the box was the tiny little hammer. This can come in really handy for small stuff, but I don't know how much I'm going to actually be able to use this, but we will see. And it might come in handy because I have other small hammers that I use a lot. On the other hand, these guys are some of my favorite tools that I have, and it's always good to have more of these. I use these for cleaning up basically all of my work and getting it to the point where I'm going to polish. And I have some that are much bigger, but these are a welcome addition to my collection of these things, and I will make sure to definitely use these. And I think it says in here what grits each one of them are. There's also some little springtime themed castings out of silver, so some bees, some leaves, and a flower. And I can actually think of a way to put these together into something that I might actually do sometime soon. And then we have the last tool, which is a odd one, and something I don't actually have, which is parallel pliers. And rounded parallel pliers at that are adjustable, so you can actually go to the same size every time. And the kind of cool thing with these, if you have some wire and put it in here, actually flip that over, you can do some stuff like this. So yes, you can make a circle, but if you grab over here, let me flip this over, so you could put interesting curves into things like that. I made a couple of these prior to the video just to see what I could do with them. Another thing you could do is you could just use this and curve your material. So say if I wanted it to have a bigger curve, I just go through and do something like that. Or if you wanted to make some a setup for jump rings real quick, and you need them at that size, you can make a coil real quick with it. They're not going to be a consistent size, but they will get the job done if you just need a couple rings. So that's everything for this month's box. If you would like to get your own or get a recurring one for every month, you can head over to benchtooljunkies.com and get yours. All you have to do is pick what size box you want to get and how often you want to get it, if you want it monthly or if you want it at one time. And that's it. So thank you, Bench Tool Junkies, for sending this over to me. And if you want to check out more videos of past boxes, there will be a link over here to the side. And if you want to see some of my other videos on jewelry techniques and stuff like that, there will be a link down here. All right. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.